Hello! If you've been using these headphones for a long time and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on the new ones, today we'll show you how to easily and on a budget replace the old, damaged Earpads Cushions, in that way restoring your loved Bose headphones. This tutorial is useful not only for the Bose QC35 Gen 1, but also for Gen 2 and the Bose QC45. These old Earpads not only look bad and make your face dirty, but they also badly affect the sound quality of the headphones and the performance of the active noise cancellation. To remove the Earpads, you need to grab the Earpad edge and gently pull it off. The Earpad cushions are held onto the headphones by small plastic hooks. After that, also remove the fabric filters, which have become very dirty over the years, and also remove any old glue remains. Links to the new replacement Earpads are in the video description. Each headphone side is labeled on the housing of headphones. Take the correct fabric filter, remove the protective paper, and stick the filter onto the headphones. In the same way you can apply the second new fabric filter. To install the new replacement Earpads, you need to push the pad edge behind the small plastic hooks. It helps to have longer nails, because you need to pull the entire edge all around behind these hooks. Do the same with the other Earpad. And there's the difference in result. For a small budget you have restored your loved Bose headphones. They look like new. In the next videos I will show you how to replace the Bose headphone battery, so they can work for days without charging. And I will also demonstrate how to replace the old damaged headband cushion, but that's for another videos. Now I wish you a wonderful day.